channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unboxing. This is by Diamond Art, the holiday edition, and it is a Diamond Dotz. And as you can see, it's going to be Santa Claus. It says on here on the front of the box that it is a full drill. It is a a 30.5 centimeter by 30.5 centimeter, which is pretty much a 12 by 12 is what it says on there. So, and on the box, it's a pretty box. On the box it says how it works, and it pretty much just explains how they diamond paint. On the back, it shows what the kit includes, and then it's just an illustration on, what it would look like framed and in your house. And then on this side, it shows what it will look like when it is completed, and it is saying full drill. So, let's open this baby up. And it looks like I'm going, well, I might be able to get that tape off. Now, let me grab my box cutter. Alright. Alright, let's see what's in the box. There's the canvas. There's that. Box is empty. Set it to the side. I'll set that to the side for a few seconds. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. Sounded like Tony the Tiger when I said that. Alright. This is going to be a very tightly rolled canvas. It is poured glue, so I am going to roll it backwards, maybe, and see if I can get it to lay flat, or flatter than what it is. And let's see. I don't know, this kind of looks like it might be, yeah, it's poured glue. It's just look different to me. Can y'all see that? Very sticky. It's got a few little things there, but it's not anything that's going to hurt it. And I think it's just where it was rolled up in the box. I think it'll be fine once I can get this plastic to work for me. Which I am, struggling. Okay. We're just going to leave it alone for a minute. Turn it around here and just kind of see if I can flatten it out, because I can feel some air bubbles. That's just because I just got that plastic all messed up on there. Okay, so it has with it an instruction pamphlet, and it just shows 11 steps to diamond painting. That's all that's on that. We'll go ahead and look at the drills and the kit and everything while this is kind of relaxing for a minute. It's got a cute little kit. It's got the little caddy of wax in it. a green squishy, which I've not seen green before. Okay, Sorry, my phone froze up, and I'm just going to show this again because I'm just going to power through. With your kit, you get your little tray with the spout. You get a clear pin, a few baggies there, green squishy, and you get their little Diamond Dot branded caddy of wax. I love these little things. I think they're so cute. Alright, so with their drills, this is actually the very first Diamond Dots I have actually done or will do. So, and the colors are really pretty. I hope y'all can tell what they look like. Because again, I know my lighting sucks. So I hope that y'all can tell what these are. And it looks like all the color codes are on the bag. And I think before I flip the canvas over, I'm pretty sure the color codes were on the key. Because see, you've got, this one is A1 8155, A1 8026. So I do know that Diamond Dots code their drills different than DMC numbers. They have their own codes. So let's flip this over. Whoop. I guess I missed a couple. There's those. Oh, hey. Hey. That one's an AB. Yay. I didn't realize there was an AB in this. Cool beans. Little surprise. Okay. So, this is Santa Claus. And yes, the key is on both the top left and the bottom right. And they do code theirs differently. All of theirs starts with an 8. And I've got one here. That's the AB. Because the ABs start with a 5, I think. But anyway, that is an AB color right there. So, they have their little brand of the DD on here. It says Leisure Arts. And y'all, if y'all have the app Gem Flow or Gems Flow, it's Gem Flow, I think. Anyway, it's a diamond painting app. If you don't have it, go download it. It is wonderful. But it has on there a section that has the Diamond Dots, their codes, their color codes, and then it also has your DMC chart on there too. So, plus you can put on there, you know, you can keep track of all your canvases that you've done or ones you want to do. Plus you can even buy canvases through the app. So it's a really cool app. Go get it, download it if you don't have it. It's wonderful. They also have the picture of your product, your finished product, on the bottom. It has the name of the print, which is Santa. It has your design size and your fabric size. So the fabric size is this whole entire thing, which is a 38 by 38 or a 15 inch by 15 inch. But your design size, which is your actual the piece that you do your drill field, the actual picture, is going to be a 12 by 12 inch, which is a 30.5 by 30.5 centimeter. So, very sticky again. the drill field, well, I'm going to do it again. Very, if my phone will focus, it is very clear. I really don't see a huge issue with the symbols and stuff. I'll probably have to use a light pad on this one. And as you can see, with the 22 colors that's in it, they are all symbols. Every last one of them is a symbol. Which is okay. I mean, I'd rather it be, you know, numbers and letters, but it's alright. I can deal with it. And like I said, it's 22 colors with one AB, and the AB looks like it's going to be all of this right here that he's blowing, which is probably supposed to be snow. And it looks like it's just, they're just scattered into his hat and his beard. They're just going to be all scattered in right through here, so. But like I said, the canvas is very nice. It's got the scalloped sides, so there's no fraying. And I think it's going to be pretty good. A pretty good canvas. So, I really like this one. And like I said, I've not ever done a Diamond Dots before, so this will be a first for me. And I'll definitely do a post review on it. And I'm pretty sure, I know that you can get Diamond Dots at, I'm pretty sure at Michael's and possibly Joann's and Hobby Lobby. I'm not real sure. I know Michael's because I've seen them at Michael's. So, but it's a pretty kit. So I am going to probably really enjoy doing this one. And I always like trying new companies, good or bad. I mean, that's how you know what's out there. So, anyway, this is what I got on this one. And if you've got any comments, just leave them in the comment section. And hopefully everybody enjoyed this. I've got another one, another Diamond Dots that I've got to do a video on. So hopefully stay tuned, and thank you to my subscribers. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when I have any more, and give me a thumbs up and comment if you got one. So I guess until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.